is Robin, the lady biker, and we are welcome to my YouTube channel. First off, hey, for anyone who is here for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you would take a moment to click the subscribe button and the bell so that you get notifications of all the new stuff I'm putting up on YouTube. And if this is not your first time here, thank you so much for coming back, guys. Your support of my channel is so appreciated. Anyway, I am riding along Topanga Canyon Road. Oh gosh, I guess south of Calabasas, heading down towards Malibu. There's my husband in the background. Wave, honey. Oh, he's gonna get me for that one. Anyway, so this is a really, really amazing road. It's California Highway 27, and we were riding down through here a couple of weeks ago with some friends of ours, and they're longtime California residents, and one of them used to live near here, and our understanding is it was like the place in the 70s and 80s for all the up and coming artists, whether it be in solid media, music. That's where anyone who was in the creative industries, that's where they hung out. And so guys, settle in. We are coming into Topanga. I just like saying that word, Topanga. So settle in and hang on and enjoy the ride. Oh, this one's nice and tight. There it is. I guess that means pigs are starting to fly. This is something that is so neat to see. Places along here in California are starting to slowly reopen. Still very strict social distancing regulations, but it's kind of nice to be able to get out and do things again. See people. I mean, like real people. I'm going to be coming around one of these corners here in a moment. I don't remember how far down it is. Part of the reason we came down here today is there is an art wall on one of the retaining walls along Topanga Canyon Road that is so neat. Alright guys, for those of you out there with kids, check this out. This motorcyclist in front of me teaching a little one, ooh, the cool ride and the art wall both. But teaching their little one to ride early. See. And I do believe we are coming into a little shopping section here. Ooh, look, little pop-up. Oh, how cool is that? I love it. That kid, he's just hanging out there. It's like, Dad, this is so cool. From this point on, pretty much all the way into Malibu, it's just beautiful country. Everything here is so unique. We can end up, earlier this morning riding this direction, we were getting into much more arid. This time of year, we just don't get a lot of rain here in California. And a lot of the areas were getting very, very dry. But then you hit some places down through here that because of the moisture coming off of the Pacific, they stay green much later into the year. And it's just stunning to ride back in here. Our trivia tidbit. The Santa Monica Mountains, for anyone who remembers the old show MASH, it was filmed just a little bit north of here, closer to Thousand Oaks and on the other side of Malibu. So just a little bit of a factoid for everyone there. Oh, and then we come around and say hello to the Pacific Ocean. There are some days I truly, truly love my life. A lot of people think Malibu is nothing but just stretches of beaches and everything, but that's really not the case. There are sections that are open to the Pacific, like right here. But most of it through Malibu, guys, is actually homes that sit right on the cliffs and right on the beach. It is... Whew. Trying to see what's out there. Oh, that's a cool rock. Ladies, gentlemen, get out and ride. Enjoy this beautiful country. Everything about riding is amazing. But when you do, have fun and be safe. And we're going to catch you on the next video.